Welcome to Costa del Golfo Airbnb and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe and Campgrounds. Thanks for tuning in. This is a progress report. We are about day 4.5 on excavation. As you can see, Marcelino's got the main platform started. We're going down a little bit further. I made some executive decisions for plumbing and all that other stuff we need to be concerned with, and how we're putting in the pipes. And you can see we got a platform below, which is going to be where the pool and the gardens will be, and the secondary top platform, which is where all the earth bag domes will be built. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 structures planned, 6 domes on that little platform. And he's going to be widening it out a little bit. We're going to have a little more room up there. And then the cafe will be toward the back end here. And that's where we plan to put the cafe. But as you can see, the road has been carved out. I think it's beautiful. As you drive through the trees and you come up, and the wow factor of coming up to the top and getting to see this view. So we're very excited. We are very much looking forward to having guests come. So please like and subscribe. Please follow our progress. Find us on Facebook. Get on our mailing list or message us. And please tune in to our next video. Thanks for liking and subscribing.